Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Hope I didn't poke you in the eye there. Starting off with sterling yen, it is Friday, July 18th, 2025. Man, I'm starting to think that we're going to break 200 today. That's what I'm starting to think. Right now, we got resistance at 199.83. We kind of creeped up through it. We didn't get on the 4 hour, we didn't get two consecutive highs in a row for me, which would be really a good, strong indication that we're breaking out of this and heading up to 200, maybe 235. But I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen. If I go to a lower time frame, let me go down to the 1 hour. All right, so here's the 1 hour. As you can see, we popped it, but there wasn't two consecutive highs after it. This was the level that really, um, I don't want to fudge it. I got it at 199.83. All right. So that's where I'm keeping it. I'm not going to fudge my line to try to prove my point, obviously, which I have a habit of doing, and I'm sure that you do too. So don't BS me. So right now, as it stands, there is support at the old high of just yesterday's high, 199, say 50-ish. All right, I'm going to throw a level up over there. 199, right there. 199.48 is an important support point for the short term to push us up. So what I just did was I bought one half of my position at 199.67 right now. Okay. So if we break down, which is what I'm thinking, like, we could get one more final like head fake back down towards the 199, say like 35.27 level, like that. I'm going to buy my other half. My stop loss is right here, 198.94. However, I'm thinking that, dollar yen is going to re-rally a little bit. I'm thinking sterling dollar holds the line. But, like I said, I only bought half my position because I learned I don't want to be irrationally exuberant with it. So that's my trading plan for today. Now, if dollar yen stays here and sterling dollar gets up to like say 135.05, I'll be just as happy that way. However, if sterling starts coming off again because it's a dog with fleas, and dollar yen starts coming off because they're going back into, a risk on environment, then this trade's going to be fooked. So, and I'll escape it. That's what I got going on in sterling yen. So, right now, as it stands, sterling yen popped up to, wow, really went up to 199.97. So, really, that I'm going to move this down to like, that's fine. Like 199.48 is a good support point for this thing. If it turns down through that, it could get to like 199, maybe nine, like right here, 199.20. On a real deep extension and get to like 199 the figure. And if it breaks that, then it's going to take my little trade off right now. So let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. I put this up for somebody because I gave them out trend reaction numbers. These lines are trend reactionary numbers, and they really worked out quite well. There's a level down here, a very hard, good support point. Let me move myself over to there at 133.33. Couldn't quite make it. This was a short-term support they had. We're starting to break up. So if we can hold the line, we're really looking to go back up to that trend reaction number at 135.70 right now. Okay, so that would be cool for sterling yen as long as dollar yen doesn't crash. So trend reactionary numbers, numbers. Hang on, let me fix that. Let me fix that. Oh my goodness. None, whatever. BERS. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Trend reactionary numbers. Okay. If you want some of those, for a different currency, I've been putting these out for a while. Um, but if you want them, leave in a comment. Hey, give me trend reactionary numbers for X currency. I'll do it for you. No problem. No problem. All right. So as it stands right now, good old sterling dollar. It's got support right now. Well, it hasn't really broken free yet. Where we go down to 64. Whew. It's got resistance really right now at say 70. I'm gonna move this down. 134. 134. 74. That's close. It's got to get up over 134.74. Okay, that will show some strength in cable, potentially moving as high as say 130, 135.17 before we get a pullback. But really, right now, as long as this low holds, we're on target of going back to 135.71 in sterling dollar. All right, so let's look at good old dollar yen. All right, here, this beast itself. Let me move myself back over here since we're nowhere near those levels. Dollar yen has to hold. Really, it's got to get above like 56. I'm gonna move this up. Okay, so close, but really, technical analysis is like that, right? I mean, let's go like, okay, right there, 56.8. It's got to recover 56.8, and if it takes this top out, if it recovers this right now, if it recovers this, takes this top out, this thing's going to 149.70. Okay, it's gonna squeeze everybody out that got short here. Actually, this was a good dump, but there's still, big institutional shorts up in here. I'm sure if they might have been going for a deeper level at 145.73. I really can't say for sure about it, but right now there is, you know, this is a critical price because we went to a high of 56. We couldn't quite break back down again to any significant low. So something's working in the background in dollar yen. So right now, if we can recover above this, say 60 level and take out the true top here, we're on our way up to, like this level here, 149.70. All right. So that's what we got going on in dollar yen. Now, euro yen. Let's get over to euro yen. Where is good old euro yen? Where is it? Hang on a second here. Oh, it's up here. Man, I lost myself. All right, I got euro yen. I got going on euro yen. I got an Andrews pitchfork working on euro yen. Um, Main support right now is 172.80. Sorry, where is that support right here? Trend line's at 172.55. 172.55. That's the support. Let me get rid of this pitchfork for the time. Actually, I'll use it. I'll use the pitchfork. We said that euro dollar came down to a critical price support down at the 171, say 65 level. Didn't quite make it, but we had a nice rebound over the 172.39, which is a price I told you yesterday. It had to clear in order to show strength. It also had to hold as well. It broke down. There's going to be resistance at like 173.21 will be the next level of resistance. If it clears this, it's going like to 173.60. So a lot of things are pointing to like the euro dollar recovery and sterling yen recovery and sterling dollar recovery. So just be cautious, always, markets aren't always what they appear to be. So thank God it's Friday. We get the night off, get the day off tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you on the weekend for the week, the weekly update, the weekly forecast. There's a link in the video below for you to get a free video and ebook on price breakouts. It's really cool. You might as well check it out. After all, you can't beat the price, right? So I look forward to seeing you on the weekend update. And remember, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.